Hi, this is Doug Morris. Wanted to give you a quick overview of iMerge, which is the most powerful merge utility made for iMess today. The differences between iMerge and contact merge is that iMerge does what it does each and every time. It is designed around the concept that an end user needs to do the same merge over and over again and does not want to be bothered with, do you want to keep this? Do you want to get rid of this? It is designed out of the box to merge what an end user can't merge. That'd be activities, subscriptions, events, financial information, foundation, gifts and pledges, certifications, relationships, and even user credentials. These are things that as an end user in iMess, they're very difficult to move around. It also can merge company records. So if I have company A and company B and they've merged, it will take all of the people from company B and move them over to company A and also do the iMess flow down, which means it's going to change the address of everybody in company B to be company A if their address was already set to company B. You can actually create rules for your organization that will do what you want iMerge to do. An example might be to keep the earliest join date of two records, or to keep the oldest paid through, or to always merge the spouse data. You get to choose, but remember iMerge will do the same thing over and over again. It will also merge non-iMess data. So as long as the person logging into iMerge, and that person does need level 4 or higher in customers, as long as they can access the other databases on your server, you can tell iMerge about what's in those databases. And if there's an ID field you want updated, iMerge will do that. If you have your own query to find dupes and you want to create a list of duplicates and let iMerge run at it, that's great. You can give iMerge that text file and it will merge those records one by one. But it also will help you find your duplicates. And one of the great things about it is you can have multiple search formulas. You do not have to use the dupe match key in iMess. You get to create your own search formulas. You can also segment your duplicates so that at the first time you run iMerge, you have a million dupes. You can actually break them down into smaller groups, make it easier to manage. And of course, you get to hide the known duplicates. So if we have two John Smiths that are both on Elm Street and they really are two different people, we don't want iMerge bringing those up anymore. We can have that. Let's take a quick look at iMerge. Out of the box, you can do a quick search for a duplicate ID. I might want to find Morris out there. And there's Doug Morris, and then I saw that was ID 1241. I don't even have to look up again. I can just type it in here. And in this case, it has identified two different Doug Morrises. It's got the member types, and I can go and do a merge right now. It runs through. You can have people in iMess while you're doing this. I think if you were doing batch merging, I probably would not have multiple people in iMess. The merge is done. If we wanted to see how easy it is to find duplicates, here's our duplicate finder. Our duplicate finder, as I mentioned earlier, can have different searches. So in this case, my secondary search is looking for where the occupation and the first name, occupation and the last name matches occupation, last name, and first 5 characters of the first name match. That might be an example. So you can experiment with different formulas here. Here's our default one. It's not going to find anybody that is marked for deletion. Here's our formula that we're using, and here's the fields we want. So once you're ready to go, you hit Find Duplicates. iMerge will find all the dupes. Here are 2 suspect duplicates. If these are ready to be merged, I can swap them if I wanted to keep 1043 instead of 548. I now can merge them instantly, or I can add to a batch merge. This is very powerful. So as I'm working through here, I'm just adding different duplicates to a batch merge. These two are actually the same. I could add them to our known duplicates if I needed to, or add them to batch merge, or if I want to merge them instantly, I can do that. So very powerful there. Last but not least, we do have our priority grouping. That's what we talked about. That is where you have the ability to prioritize your duplicates based on when they were created. Super powerful there. There's a lot more powerful features in iMerge, and we're happy to do a demo. Just give us a ring and we'll show you the product. Thank you.